Good morning, people. Welcome back to the channel. I have been very busy lately, so therefore I've not been able to upload as much video as I would like to. However, as of today, I'm going to try my best to keep on uploading all the videos. I've quietened down a little bit now, so hopefully I should be back on my toe. Anyway, what I have here is an Acer Aspire 5553, so 5553. Okay, by default this is a Windows 7 laptop, but I've upgraded to Windows 10 with a solid state disk drive, new battery and full strip down rebuild. Sadly, the ATI 4200 series graphic, the drive, there's no real supporting driver for this with the ATI's software, basically the Catalyst software, basically whatever it is now. And as a result of that, we do get a bit of glitch with the battery. So I'll show you very shortly what's going on with this. There's an error that's coming up on the screen as you're unplugging and plugging the charging lead. Also, this error can actually happen when you're starting the laptop up from an off position, basically. So let's show you what this error is. Okay, so I'm going to plug in the charger. That's perfectly fine, no problem. As soon as I unplug it, you get this error. Okay, and that's the ATI, as you can see here, atibtmon.exe. Okay, that's the error. So how do we get rid of this error as for permanent? Okay, so there's a little tweak what we've got to do. Right, I'll even show you again. Right, so plug in, that's fine. Plug out and you hit with the error message. Right, so let's go back in here. This is how you solve it. Right click onto the battery icon, select power option. On here where it says change plan settings, and then here you select change advanced power settings. Scroll down that box until you see the graphic card ATI graphic power setting. Click here to expand, and then double click again where it says ATI power play settings. Double click onto that, and the only change you make here is when you click onto that, you take it, you change it to maximize performance, so it'll have to be the same as plug-in. Okay, leave it to that, apply, and close the box. Now what we're going to do is going to plug it in, plug it out again, plug it in, plug it out. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut down the laptop. I'm hopeful that this error won't come back up when you turn the laptop on. So okay, so the laptop is off. We'll turn it back on again. I'm using my phone today, just can't be just don't have the patience to get the tripod out and the camera out and all this messing around. So and I'm shaking my legs. Okay, so no problem, no message. Okay, so I'll just wait for these little gadgets to appear so we know that it's fully loaded, and the hard drive activity LED, which is the one over here, it's still on, so it's still loading. CPU usage is high, still loading, so we'll just hang fire. Okay, so the activity light is no longer solid. Right, so window has fully loaded. I'm going to plug the cable in, screen goes brighter, plug it out, no problem. So that's how you actually resolve the problem. Alright, anyway guys, take care, and I shall catch up with you pretty soon.